Got leftover rice and a bag of frozen veggies? Perfect! This is Lazy Wee Kitchen, and today we are making a no stress ground beef fried rice. Comfort food, zero planning, let's cook! Today all the vegetables are frozen. Yes, all of them. We've got some finely chopped onion and a frozen veggie mixed with green peas, carrots and corn. We'll use about 1/3 cup of the veggie mix and roughly 1/4 of a chopped onion. And just like that, veggie prep is done. Zero tears involved. Ta-da! Now the garlic. Yes, this is the only thing we actually have to cut today. Give it a smash, then chop it finely. Congrats, you have done all the hard work. Alright, let's cook. It's always better to use a bigger pan for fried rice. More space, more glory. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. I'm using my homemade shallot oil. This will give the fried rice an extra kick of aroma. Toss in the onions, stir fry until they turn translucent. Then add the garlic. Just a quick toss until it smells amazing. Now it's beef time. Add in the ground beef and spread it out in the pan. Season with a pinch of salt and some black pepper. And give it a few tosses to mix everything evenly. Add a bit of paprika. If you've got it lying around, great. Stir fry until the beef is fully cooked and slightly browned. Then take it out and set it aside like the legend it is. Crack an egg and beat it. Gently, not emotionally. Add a bit more oil to the same pan. Pour in the egg and scramble until half or fully cooked. Then add the cold rice right away. Stir to loosen the grains. Don't crush the rice, we are not making porridge. Using a big pan here really helps the rice spread out. Once it's all loosened up, flatten it a bit and let it sear. You want those crispy golden bits, that's the magic. Now for the seasoning. Add some soy sauce, some dark soy sauce for color, and some black pepper. If you want that deep, glossy color, go with dark soy. If you don't care, regular soy works just fine. Give everything a quick toss to coat the rice evenly. Add the frozen mixed vegetables and stir fry until heated through. Then bring back the beef. Yes, we are putting the squad back together. If the rice feels too dry, add a splash of Shaoxing wine for moisture and flavor. Toss everything together until it feels like a theme. Let's do a quick taste check. Add a pinch of salt or black pepper if needed. You are in charge now. Trust your tongue. If you like it spicy, this is your moment. Toss in some chili and scallions. Oh, by the way, even our chili and scallions are frozen. Haha, maximum laziness, zero shame. Also, add a spoonful of the crispy shallots from the shallot oil. Don't waste the good stuff. Give it a final toss or flip it if you are feeling bored. And that's it, you are done. This is our ground beef fried rice. Crispy, comforting and slightly chaotic. Thanks for cooking along with me. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for more lazy cooking therapy. See you next time. Bye.